you now, Messi. Let's do this.
Messi, I'm the best player in the world. You just look like a little girl. Can't compare my physique and my strength to all your little twirls. I was here first, you're trying to steal my limelight. So you back off, I'm the king, you know that I'm right.
Ronaldo, shut up! You're the babiest king I've ever seen. I went online, googled your name, and all I get is diving queen. You go out modeling, taking pics, and showing off
Your abs.
Imagine time you start running, and we're wondering, has he got crabs?
No, I haven't. You never said hi to me once. Double your size when I jump. Guess what? FIFA rang last month. They want to kiss your jump. It's no surprise that you win everything when you constantly buying everybody the wedding rings.
That was good. Well, it's time to show you I am the Messiah. The Ballon d'Or. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 times in a row. So, you really think you're the best? Let me put the feud to rest. The best. Yeah. You're a crybaby, the biggest one in history. No. But hey, look at the bright side. You've got something in common with your baby.
We ain't done yet. Let's go. CR7 made in heaven. Real Madrid is who I'm repping.
We are Barcelona. We come, we see, we conquer.
My biceps and my triceps are bigger than all your life steps.
I may be small, but I'll leave you in awe with all my crazy side steps.
It is done. Let the people choose their winner and decide who's next. Come